Good morning. I'm just cooking up this mixture for the birds, and I've already started adding it to this little plastic lid. Here's the Quaker Oats steel cut, only because that's the kind that I have right now. That's what's going in. And I have corn, I have raisins, some peanuts came with the bird seed, and the peanut butter. So this will harden in here for tomorrow, and I'll feed this to them for tomorrow. It's a treat, like a suet treat. Hello, it's the next morning, and I'm switching the bird seed over to go in the freezer just for a little while, just to harden it a little bit, but not freeze it. This refrigerator's in the back in a smaller kitchenette, so that's why the refrigerator and freezer is not really full. And we are expecting a grocery delivery from Stop & Shop by tonight. We have a grocery delivery scheduled between 6 and 9 for a drop-off. And if they come earlier, we will go to Walmart, and I'll go to the garden section and look around at the bird feed and whatever they have. Here I catch a bird checking out the food, but my husband accidentally cuts me off. He doesn't realize I'm recording, so he walks in front of me, but that's okay. The backyard critters are coming along just fine. Here we have some footage from Disney ducks. No, not Donald and Daisy, but these two are not shy. They don't mind some attention. After a while, they do go into the water and swim away to find other people or other ducks.